We're looking at question 8 from the Linear Functions, Systems, and Inequalities exam. This was a part 2 question. Part 2 questions are worth 2 points. The graph below models the cost of renting video games with a membership in Plan A and Plan B. Explain why Plan B is the better choice for Dylan if he only has $50 to spend on video games, including a membership fee. So we're looking at Plan B, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to highlight Plan B. And the first thing that I notice is that Plan B is under Plan A all the way up to this point here. So it's saying if Dylan only has $50 to spend, okay, so now I need to figure out the scale. So if we look at our x-axis, we have 8 here, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, so 8 divided by 4 is 2. So I know that each one of these represents 2 games. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm just going to write in those values. Okay, so then I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to look now at the y-axis. And if we look at the y-axis, here we have 20, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, so that means each line here represents $5. Okay, oop, that should be a 5. Okay, 75. Okay, so they're going by 5. So my y-axis is going up by 5, my x-axis is going up by 2. So now I have the scale, so I can evaluate the question. So he has $50 to spend. Okay, so here's $50. So for Plan A, $50 gets him 12 videos. For Plan B, $50 gets him 14 videos. And Plan B is always under Plan A when you spend under $50. So for my answer, Dylan can get more video games if he uses Plan B. So Dylan can get more video games if he uses Plan B. For $50, 14 games for Plan B and only 12 for Plan A. So now I'm going to look at the second part. Bobby wants to spend $65 on video games. Okay, so $65 is the point right here. Well, notice that's the point of intersection. So both plans give the same amount of video games for $65. So both plans cost $65 for 20 video games. So it doesn't matter which plan he picks. They will both cost him $65 for 20 video games. Okay?